juntu la drugs ke chuchotum hedi kiche ke naliphan ladum akijoy sinang soji akijoy nang sopo la philo bote kichodullo bolo bote api diglo bote la sormuke kairi sumbo kichodum kila somlo sobom chupeng bombo angke bursa chulong khai ko alang itu lempak lempru hem sikame apo bai bomba chu bai ko bursa hang ko apai potum bendor dilo dilo tum kilo klem ke kanghi ason si klem ke
Of the branch committee and all the members of the Barbie Student Association. First of all, I thank you all for giving me this opportunity to speak a few lines or speak about abuse of drugs. So, as we all know, these days, most of the people who are abusing drugs are mostly teenagers, especially at the age of below 18. Okay? They start doing drugs as a curiosity. As we all know, as a people, we are all curious about few things. But there are few things that we shouldn't be curious or take advantage of, especially drugs. So, as you all know, a drug abuser is always someone who gives trouble, who gives problem to the society as well as their parents, and it ruins their home. So imagine a world, imagine a society, imagine your own village, imagine your own house, imagine your own area where if there is no one who abuses drugs, if there is no one who uses drugs, then it will be such a good society, Actually, last year I lost my brother into drugs. Okay, he passed away last year. He didn't suffer a lot. So if you see someone, if you know someone who is abusing drugs in your own community or outside your community or in your own house or in your neighbor house, in your society, please try your best to help them. Try your best to guide them because it will ruin their future. So with this I conclude my speech and thank you all once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for your good speech. Kasi alam ni Pat Surulo, hindi tumulong ako.
Non itu masong lo Charlie po kelas 10 nandun po aprang po jerpo kimi jetong po college dun po jerpo kimi jetong po jejabon po kopilo ke me atheni tungke hal anno pulo de ekta adolescent apni mang po de kopisia ke me kopisia ke no lage kopis interestingly. See what is interestingly we are doing. halahin si Dulpo. Ang kajor po nung nabaglang ko, lalo nyo, akimiyakin ng dalawa. So my request is everyone, drugs is the only thing. You will lose your life, you will lose your home, you will lose your family.
Anong unang J? Labing pini itong kakatitong itong maximum 50 ba 40 do. So ang bong, omoy hedjong ili itong masarap ili itong pan, ang kan bong oje recently alang li bong kami drugs ajoy ni pen alang li labang so birthday na binesa. Kasi nili kipudang kak hindi bang kilay no. Ili itong pini dek 45 jong do, 40 ba 50 something do. Jong sila solam the ili itong nang bong umar panang jerpi nang jerpo dung han ili itong lam the la solam the drugs tunang li apen kichohing no pukitan la dek pen bang klike bang bong pen nang tung bang po pan la bang solam kasi kewang jilang apor non ili itong nang jerpo dung han stame bahaya lambang ke nang li itong share non je la so bostu ke no lapen jong sila so bostu arak ki lotang mo bulutute maximum nili kethek dulong mekini ben kethek dulong an ke drugs ke chotum ahe badin che pavir po apaya po banchi pasum po last ke latum bilo claim ke chotha bilo long thai bilo ke avi che jor po mikang abang bola tum che jor po
Biru bilo. Nili ganing ji sonam ke avelo ganing ji ana lam na kuji ni de rupati. Ni ganing thai la sin no long supen bulute mupen bong na do busin bu alang dong kanji busin bu ni dala kala yang tong tin da nak nang chong hong tong ni.
People this week, long live. People proud, long live. And black on the deep.